Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Blob. Step 1. Turn on the ignition. You should sit in the driver's seat with both the ignition key and the key fob with all doors closed. Step 2. Press the lock button. Step 3. Turn off the ignition. Step 4. Repeat the process with other key fobs. Step 5. Restart the process.
Let's help you make your mark.
Programming a push-button starter. With the fob in your hand, get into the driver's seat, closing the door behind you. When you're ready, press your car's start button 15 times in quick succession, with no more than 2 seconds between each attempt. After the 15th button press, push the lock button on your fob.
Take our lead.
Bad battery. The most common reason your key fob has stopped working is because of a dead battery. A simple swap with a fresh battery that you can find at most big box stores should do the trick to get things working again. Try opening your car door with a second key fob.
Make your mark, take our lead.
From the home screen, go to Security, More. If using a Lynx Touch, greater than Tools greater than enter installer code, default is 4112, greater than Program keys. This will take you to key fob programming. Click on the key fob device you want to delete to highlight it. Then select Delete at the bottom of the screen.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What does it mean when your car says key not detected? It means that the vehicle cannot receive a signal from a working key, often caused by weak batteries inside the key fob. Other possible issues include the wrong key is being used, or the key is damaged, which is common if the key has been exposed to water.
Let's help you make your mark.
DIY key fob programming. Depending on the age and model of your car, you may be able to program a replacement yourself. The procedure for do-it-yourself key fob programming can vary. Some automakers provide instructions in their owner's manuals. Information can be found in many cases on the internet.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.